and it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this beautiful client, Emma. It's her birthday today, so her mum allowed her to have her hair straightened. So I'm just going to straighten her hair and style it for her birthday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please wish her happy birthday in the comment section below. She's such a lovely little girl. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in our next video. Enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.
Bye.